Get gas performance without the hassles. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT Brushless chainsaw. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero emissions. The chainsaw has a Makita-built outer rotor brushless motor direct drive system that provides high power efficiency equivalent to a gas chainsaw. It has a variable speed trigger, so you can set the speed to the application. Other features include a built-in LED on-off switch with auto power-off function, which automatically shuts the saw off when operation is delayed for extended battery life. The chainsaw features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.